When it comes to the type of girls men love, the high-value woman takes the cake. If you want to know how to achieve this status, we have some tips. Number 1. Know your worth. You're far more valuable than you're giving yourself credit for already. Because you're here, reading this, you think you're not valuable enough. This mindset is exactly what's holding you back from being this high-value woman. So know your worth. You have so much going for you, and so many men would be lucky to have you. Once you realize that and start to own it, you will be the type of woman all guys want. Number 2. Demand respect. Don't just accept it, demand it. As women, we have to work a bit harder to gain the respect of others. Instead of working for it, just demand it. If someone doesn't respect you or what you stand for, get rid of them. You don't need those types of people in your life, and if you don't have them around, people will start to value you more. Number 3. Have confidence. This is key. If you don't have confidence, being a high-value woman won't be easy. You can only fake it until you make it for a little while. In order to show people how great you are and become this woman men highly value, you have to believe you're amazing. Number 4. Settle for nothing less than what you deserve. Ever. If someone is being bad to you and you know you deserve better, then leave. This isn't something you can really give chances for. If a guy treats you with disrespect even once, drop him. That type of person isn't someone you want, anyway. He can't respect you right off the bat, then he doesn't deserve you. Number 5. Set your standards early. You really have to let your standards be known. What are you expecting from your man? What are you expecting from everyone? When people don't meet your standards, get rid of them. It's really that simple. If you only keep people around you respect your standards, you'll only have people who truly value you. Set those standards and don't let anyone fall beneath them. Number 6. Have your own life. Your significant other is not your life. Your job isn't even your life. You have to be your own person and have our own hobbies and interests. Engage in a fun and adventurous life and maintain that even when you're with a guy, he'll value you far more for it. Number 7. Be passionate. Passion is very powerful. And this has nothing to do with being in bed together. Having passion in everything you do is far more likely to make people see you as a high-value woman. Passionate people give it their all. They put forth maximum effort and show the world they care. If you show people you care, it'll work well for you. Number 8. Hold power, but be soft. You can be a very powerful woman while also being soft and feminine. This stems from having people's respect. When you demand respect and do so in a very subtle way, you end up holding a lot more power than you think. This allows you to be powerful, while also maintaining your soft, feminine side. This is what a high-value woman is all about. Work toward being powerful, but in a subtle way. Number 9. Don't always be available. You can't always be available for your man. Firstly, because you just aren't. Don't cancel plans just because he wants to do something last minute. No. You have a life and you're not free for him whenever he beckons. This makes you a high-value woman because it teaches men to respect your time and to appreciate the time they get with you. When you're busy, they'll feel like they have to schedule time with you far in advance because they don't want to miss out. That's value. Number 10. Say no. Don't always be so agreeable. You can say no. If you truly have a differing opinion or don't want to do something, just say no. A lot of women think the key to getting guys to like them is to just agree with whatever they say. It's really quite the opposite. Saying no and standing your ground creates respect. They'll learn more about you and admire you standing up for what you believe in or just doing what you want and not just what they want. Let me ask you a quick question. What's it like to get a man's attention and keep it for years, driving him crazy with desire and being the absolute center of his universe? If you don't know, don't worry. Now, I'm not going to tell you that this video will change your whole life. Check out the link in below.